Welcome to the Vector Maths Student Dashboard. Maths is a wonderful subject. The skills gained are needed in a variety of subjects and often real-life situations, but it can also be difficult. It requires dedication and there are no quick fixes. But if you spend time and are patient working through questions, making notes along the way, there's every chance you can improve your understanding, confidence and performance significantly. The GCSE Maths curriculum has many topics. These have been arranged by topic and subtopic. There are approximately 3,000 GCSE exam-style questions available here, but don't let this overwhelm you. It simply means there's plenty of variation. Work through the topics that you need more practice with. There are up to 4 levels of difficulty available: entry, medium, hard and challenge. The entry-level questions are a good starting point, giving you the opportunity to get familiar with the basics of a topic. The challenge questions are simply that and are aimed at students aspiring for the very top level available. From time to time, you may find a question labelled hard easier to answer than one labelled as medium, for example. If you are struggling to locate a particular topic from the list, you can use the search bar. In this example, if I start typing gradient in the search bar, you can see a drop-down list containing questions involving the gradient. In addition to the exam-style questions, there are many instructional videos which guide you through a topic with notes and worked examples. A list of these can be found by typing INST into the search bar. Instructional videos sometimes go into considerable detail as they are designed to cover many aspects of a topic. Don't worry about this. Make notes and absorb what you can. The questions are original, different to, but based upon, official exam board questions, so you can use them to help prepare you for past exam papers and ultimately your exams in the summer. Every question has a question and a clue video as well as a solution video. A sensible way to use the Vector Maths Student Dashboard is in the following way. Firstly, always attempt to question yourself without viewing a clue or an answer. It's perfectly acceptable to have struggle time. This process is often necessary as you try to find a method to solve a question. Next, you could watch the question and clue video. Sometimes watching this will give you an idea of how to start the solution. Some clues will be more helpful to you than others. Then, if you still feel lost or simply wish to check your solution, finally you can view the solution or watch the solution video. Here is an example question and clue video and its solution video too.
Work out the height of the isosceles triangle. Give your answer to one decimal place.
Since the triangle is isosceles, it can be split into two congruent right-angled triangles with E as a common vertex.
To work out the height of the isosceles triangle, we're going to drop a perpendicular. Now the perpendicular line drawn from the vertex E to the base GF bisects it. In other words, it cuts it into two equal parts. Therefore, we have two congruent right-angled triangles. If we label the perpendicular height as h, then using Pythagoras' theorem, h squared plus 5 squared equals 26 squared. So h squared equals 26 squared minus 5 squared, which equals 651. Therefore h is equal to the square root of 651. And this equals 25.5 centimetres to 1 decimal place.
Here are some screenshots of clues and worked solutions. Whilst watching solution videos, do make any relevant notes. These can really help you the next time you encounter a similar question. Remember that the solutions provided offer a method. You may find that you have found a perfectly sound way of arriving at the same solution. In fact, for some questions, an alternative method is also provided. Sometimes the solution videos go into considerable detail. You are encouraged to watch these until the end because you may gain some insight about the bigger picture and apply this to similar questions. The emphasis in vector maths is about following through the method to the final solution. For that reason, partial marks are not discussed within the solutions. However, we recognise that awareness of marks which a question carries may be a helpful guide. Thus, about 800 questions also have the allocated number of marks displayed in the question. A note about calculators. Certain topics, such as iteration, require a scientific calculator. We have recorded dedicated videos featuring the Casio scientific calculator for such topics. You can follow these one keystroke at a time. We really hope that you enjoy using the student dashboard and feel confident that over time it will be a huge asset to your understanding of GCSE Maths. On behalf of the Vector Maths team, thank you and good luck!